In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what we are doing to scale a Shopify store spending $1,300 to $1,500 per day using Meta ads. Let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Chris Morano, founder of Blue Water Marketing, an agency that scales Shopify stores. We do that with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Klaviyo, and Creative. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through an account that we have been working on for 12 months now, and we took the store from $50,000 to pacing for about $5 million this year. We did it with Meta ads, creative, cost caps, bid caps, highest volume. I'm going to walk you through everything that we've done right now. So let's get into it. All right. So we're in the ad account right now. You can see that we have a total of 6 different campaigns going, and we are following some of Meta's best practices. And they've actually come out recently and said there is actual hierarchy that you should be doing. And what that basically means is simplifying your ad account to ensure that you're reducing audience fragmentation, meaning you're not targeting the same audiences in a number of different ad sets. And they're also now saying that you should only have a maximum of 6 creative per ad set. It used to be 3 to 5. Now they're saying max of 6. We still like to keep 3 to 5 in each ad set. But the difference is we've broken apart campaigns in the majority of the clients that we work with to ensure that we're adhering to Meta's best practices, and we're actually seeing that work really well. This account is a bit of an anomaly because we're targeting specific products and we're working to make sure that we're delivering at the cost per purchase we need to be. So let's get into the ad account. So within this, we have a standard retargeting bottom of the funnel campaign, DSPs, catalogs, and carousel ads. So we're not going to get too much into that, but you can see we're at a 5.02. Across the board this month, we've spent $31,000, basically $1,000 a day. We're pushing that up again now. Had some inventory issues, so we had to hold back. From there, we have our cost cap campaign, which is at a 5.86. And if we break into this a little bit more, you can see how we have this set up. We're doing website and shop, and we're doing cost per result of $30. And so we're delivering at less than that right now, and we're kind of leaving this one status quo. Then we have our bid cap campaign, which we just opened up slightly. We have that set at $600 a day, but if you tell over the entire month, we're clearly not hitting that. So we just opened up that bid cap slightly, $55, in the hopes that, hey, we can keep the cost per purchase where it needs to be and still get those results. From there, we also wanted to test the highest volume. And you can see that Facebook's actually really doing pretty well. This is at a $400 a day budget. We're at a 5.54 with a 5.29% conversion rate, and average order value is 162, cost per purchase 29.26. Now, these campaigns have all been running for months now, and we're filtering in new creative all the time, and it's working really well. But with the recent addition of Meta telling us this is how you want to structure your campaigns, we thought let's add some more to this account. Now, generally, I don't like having 6, 7 campaigns running, but in this scenario, it's actually pretty beneficial because we're able to really segment out angles, genders, hooks, products, and having inventory problems. It really allows us to turn off, turn on when we need to, or reduce budgets based on lack of inventory. So let's get into Meta's best practices, and hopefully you guys can follow along. So now we have a test campaign set up. And within this test campaign, we have 4 different ad sets, one of which is turned off now because it just wasn't really working and our cost per result was too high. So within this, we're really just looking to test creatives. And you can see our AOVs, our amount spent. We just launched this on 8/23, which at the time of this recording was 6 days ago. And we're seeing a 4.26, a 4.32, and a 3.52. Within these test campaigns, we're really just testing new creative. So we have 3 different creatives in here. You can see one of which cost per result $53. The other 2 haven't even spent enough based on our target CPA to turn those off yet. Then we're going into the next one and we're testing different creative, which you can see has a much higher volume, but a slightly higher cost per purchase. These 2 are new creatives that we're testing, and you can see the results are fantastic. So adhering to Meta's best practices, what we're doing is then we're going to put that into the scaling campaign. Hey, if you want us to do this for your store, click the link below, book a call with me. Let's go through your ad account, see where there might be some opportunities for massive growth. The scaling campaign, even though it's blurred out, is completely broad, male, female, within a certain age group. And then these are our winning creatives. We just put this one back in so you can see this ROAS is a little bit lower than we'd like to see, but the other ones are hitting that CPA target over and over again. And so this budget will start to get cranked up as it kind of levels out, because generally what we're seeing is a week basically in that when we move the post ID from the test campaign to the scale campaign, there is a little lag time. So we want to make sure we're making up for that. And if you guys think this is an anomaly, let me break down another client of ours in their ad account. So this client is a little bit different in that they have very defined seasonality to their products. And so you'll see we have 4 campaigns running, bottom of the funnel, product 1, product 2, and then again, a test campaign. So the test campaign is basically feeding the testing going into this campaign. And so within the month of August, you'll see that we're at a 3.19, spent $24,000 month to date with a return of $78,000. Within this, we have our scale campaign, which is running pretty similar results. And within each of those, 3.89, 3.27, 3.23, and basically a 3. Now, if you look over the last 14 days, we're a little bit better. And over the last 7, we're again a little bit better there. So what we're doing is we're really taking the test campaign. We're testing all of these creatives. So our cost per purchase of $10 there at a 5. So these creatives will slowly start to be moved into the scale campaign, which we're averaging the 3.27. So this is really what we're finding to be absolute best practices. And if you guys want some advice, you want us to audit your site, click the link below, book a call with me. We'll talk through your ad accounts. We'll see where there's some potential quick wins for you. And maybe we can help scale your store. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next week for the next video.